Let us look at proposition number 18 of book 7 of Euclid's Elements. The proposition says, if two numbers multiplied by any number makes certain numbers, then numbers so produced have the same ratio as the multipliers. Seems very similar to our previous proposition. There we were talking of a number multiplied by two numbers. Here we are talking of two numbers multiplied by any number. And since in the previous provision we have seen that multiplication is commutative, uh, this is more or less redundant. But since it is part of Euclid's Elements, let's look at this. So we are given that D is equal to A times C. And since it is multiplication is commutative, we can write it as D is equal to C times A. Similarly, E is equal to B times C. That is what we are given, which because of commutativity can be written as E is equal to C times B. Means what? That means C multiplied by the two numbers A and B makes D and E, which is the exact statement of our previous proposition. So we can use that and write it in the form of proportions. A is to B is equal to D is to E. Yes. So that is proposition number 18 of book 7 of Euclid's Elements. Again, let me remind you, there is a link to a PDF book which describes all these propositions. Please feel free to download it, refer to it. And if you think somebody else can also benefit from it, please do share. That's it for now. Bye.